Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. To a lot of people, cryptocurrency is just internet money. Right? They've heard of Bitcoin, of course, but other popular ones like Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Bitcoin even. But few understands the difference between one coin with another. Ethereum has been running quite well recently. Last 12 months, an increase of at least 10 times. From $350 in September last year to now almost 4,000 US dollars. People start to speculate that it will overtake Bitcoin in times to come. The truth is, we are comparing two different elements. A simple analogy would be like early mobile phone, right? Motorola started it in 1983, followed by Nokia in 1996, and then BlackBerry in 1999. And later on, Sony Ericsson's and many other brands came into the market. What do we know about it? All we know is we can walk with the mobile and talk everywhere. We use it when we need, when we don't, we use it but we don't understand how its protocol actually works. We are happy just to talk to each other over the mobile phone. Then came Apple, who built smart applications on top of its protocol. This allows you to do different things like WhatsApp, etc. Just on your mobile, you see all the smart applications like parking apps, games, Google's, email apps, My Singtel, SingPass, thousands of apps now available. That's what makes Apple popular. Now you see the difference. One is the basic core technology that allow mobile phone to work. The other is to add function over it to allow more usage. It's the same with Bitcoin or with crypto. Bitcoin is the core technology and Ethereum is the functional smart contract over it. I believe you would then say, but Motorola and Nokia die off, yeah? Yes, but do you know why Nokia died off? Apple, Nokia and all mobile phones are vertical structure. Apple not only added feature, but they also improved the core mobile technology of simple voice communication. For example, traditional basic mobile use sound wave over electric current. Apple changed the technology to voice over internet protocol, VoIP. That killed Motorola and Nokia technology and make them obsolete. The big difference in the core hard value of Bitcoin ecosystem is horizontal structure. The base layer is solid as a rock and cannot be made obsolete. Yes, technology such as you invented a good core system, then competitor comes in to improve on the core technology. But for 13 years now, no one has come up with a better Bitcoin or improved Bitcoin on the base layer. The fact that it's an open source software, the whole world can copy and make it better. Quick and cheap can be copied, but can you copy the decentralization blockchain and make it better? Can you copy the Leaderless network that allows the system to run 100% on its protocol by itself and never have to resort to changing the rule when something goes wrong. Can the consensus be majority decision by the nodes, a fair and honest system? Has the proof of work, the most secure feature of the network, has been improved or better? Yes, many copycats are now experimenting with proof of stake instead, but is it better? Proof of work is cryptographically, mathematically method of certifying a transaction honestly, all right? Forcing the miners to spend time and money to do the work. Proof of stake transaction is certified by people. Remember, people who own high stake of the coin. In other words, if you are a big holder, you are the governance. You decide if a transaction is allowed or not. It's back to human element where traditional monetary system fail. It is exactly what Bitcoin is trying to avoid. Yes, there are hundreds of copycats, but none of them make it better in any way. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and at least 20 more. Nobody dare say there won't be a better copycat in the future. Right? Who knows? For 13 years now, Bitcoin core ecosystem is still unchallenged, still running perfectly as it was designed. The fact that there's no hiccup, nobody is able to make it better. But remember, Bitcoin don't just appear in 2008 suddenly. Actually, 10 years before, many cyberpunks came up with very good experiments like crypto hashing. It's conceived long before Satoshi's, right? The two well-known one is Ego and Liberty Gold coin. Both digital currency. Unfortunately, they are centralized. As soon as it reaches certain adoption, US authorities and FBI invaded the founder and charged them under Unlicensed Money Act. The organization was forced to close shop. FBI also called up Bitcoin core developer for investigation. Soon after that, Satoshi decided to disappear and leave the system for the whole world to use in a decentralized manner. Satoshi did not design Bitcoin network from scratch. It maximized the hash to verify transfer experimented before. He then introduced proof of work, solving the Byzantines' generous problem, which no one thought possible. Right? His genius formula of mining one block every 10 minutes, adjusting the mining difficulty every 14 days or 2016 block, and cutting the miner's reward every 4 years or every 210,000 blocks is brilliant. His rewarding formula of 50 Bitcoin for first 4 years and subsequently halving every other 4 years till it reached a maximum of 21 million Bitcoin by 2140 is monumental by itself. Think anybody can better than this for 13 years now. All the smart brain in the crypto industry have tried, but none succeed so far. Whereas with Ethereum, it copies Bitcoin ecosystem, the core fundamental, and add smart feature, contract feature over it. Without Bitcoin, there will be no Ethereum. There will be no blockchain. Ethereum think it can do better by changing to proof of stake in the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade coming in November. We shall see. It provides transaction speed for sure, but it sacrifices the most important intrinsic and indispensable value of Bitcoin. That is trust and security. No human involvement. In summary, I will say Bitcoin will forever be the store value asset because of its trust and security. And Ethereum, the application, there are a lot more features over it, like ICO, DeFi, and NFT currently, and probably more features into the future. Bitcoin will retain its status quo as store value for many years to come. The two elements are separated. It is not possible to compare apple to orange. Hope you understand now what's the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and who will survive longer? Nobody knows. We shall see, all right? Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like. See you next time. Bye-bye.